Oh.
One.
Hi, it's me, your fave. Yay! Welcome back. So today we're at Rustig and we'll be rustic. Lalela. We're here, we're hiking. I'm testing out my new babies today. Which are my Karee hiking boots. And yeah, let's see what the trail has for us today. Please stay tuned. Yep.
Why?
A speaker. I wonder if I need a... Oh, 1 kilometer done, 12 to go. Woo, this is a natural aircon right now. Such beauty. This is the path. All these rocks. I'm like, did the walls of Jericho fall or something and I wasn't told? Like, what's going on? Damn! Karee. Beautiful views as well. Lovely. This is an uphill battle. Like, yo. I don't even know if we've passed the 2K mark.
Yeah.
But that means we still have 11 to go. Is that my mat? Yeah, I think it is. So this just shows that good tough, good tense because wow. So going there. I can see I'm at the edge in my heights, but there's this thing that's securing me. But my feet right now. Woo, shame. Okay. Because height is not a fear factor for me. Just us. This is not like a broken one. I made it. These ladders are not ending though. We thought we just finished and there's still more. And then it's just like rocks and rocks and more rocks. But my shoes are behaving very well, I must say. Very comfortable. Look at you. Cool. Should I go up or should I just cheat and go through? You know what? Let's go up. Just for the sake of it, ne?
Just for the sake.
But if I fall.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Would you look at that?
Okay. I should have just gone through. And what's the saying? The road least traveled is the hardest. This is it. Oh my gosh. Mama, I made it. Yay! Woo! Woo! This is the route now. Walking through the bushes. This is so pretty. So a fellow hiker told me that because I've done Tugela and Drakensberg I can do this. But I'm like, what's this? Like, This thing says 5Ks, but we've been at it. Like, I feel like we've done like 10. We should not even halfway. Njani? How? How? Njani? This is really amazing. Wow. We've gotten to a point now where we need to decide if we're going to do the chicken run and do the 9 or the 13. I'm really set on doing the 13 because it's what I put my mind to. But if I do the first and I realize I'll look for a double up and we'll call it quits because wow. So that's the 9K with a beautiful view. And then this is the 13, which we're about to see what is what. Apparently only the brave go this way, so let's see. I now know why this is called This Was For The Brave, because this path and down there reminds me of Drakensberg, where I shed tears. Times are tough. And now we're walking in the garden. The garden. Ooh! Wow, wow, wee, wow, wow. Like it's really a staircase going down. I can't even see the end, but wow! The Karee route has led us to places where there's like shelter and houses. So I'm not sure what this means right now. This says begin day 2. I don't know anymore. That's my thought we'd arrive, but yeah. Now we're in the wilderness, but we're still on this trail. I really think I've done 18 instead of 16, honestly, because wow. Instead of 13, I mean. Guys, I really don't know how many ladders we've passed, ne? They're just ladders everywhere, and I'm just heartful. The people I'm with, whoops! I saw them just now on the other side, and I'm like, how did they get there? Because I'm still here, and they didn't even see what I saw. So, yo, now there's a road. I don't understand what's going on here. And now we need to go up this again. Guys, like, I'm heartful now. I'm done to finish. I really hope we're towards the end because we've really tracked that mountain and come this way. I really hope we're towards the end because, yeah, I really don't know where we are. And the people who were with said they've arrived, but we were way ahead of them. So we continue. Listen, I've never been happy to see this right now because wow, we're done. Cramps on both legs. I had like, Peggy, how many cramps did I have?
You had like 3, 4.
3 or 4, and Karee was doing this on purpose to make it so. And yeah, man down, but I'm happy I completed. Ah!
Whew! She felt that one.
Happy I completed the task at hand.
That's
This is